Master the hardware that defines our digital world and architect the future of infrastructure with the gold standard in IT certification. Build a rock-solid foundation through expert engineering, mastering the physical components that power every modern enterprise. Test your mettle with over 200 rigorous quizzes designed to validate your technical expertise and sharpen your skills. Unlock lucrative career paths ranging from support specialist to cloud engineer, where high-growth roles offer exceptional earning potential. Our comprehensive curriculum covers 27 modules, guiding you through everything from motherboard troubleshooting to advanced power systems. Bridge the gap between theory and practice with 138 hands-on labs that bring your hardware knowledge to life. Remember, the hardware layer is the heartbeat of every scalable enterprise system in the world today. Invest in your future for $419.99, securing lifetime access to 93 critical learning objectives. Your journey towards certification starts today. Click below to enroll and transform your career now. Should you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you at support@ucertify.com.